In the world of dieting and fitness, the term cheat meal often sparks debate. Some see it as a well-deserved reward, while others consider it a potential setback. But what's the real story behind cheat meals? Can they help you lose weight by boosting metabolism and improving psychological well-being? Or are they just an excuse to indulge and undo progress? This article explores the science, psychology, and potential effects of cheat meals on weight loss. We'll break it down into 10 clear sections, using evidence from studies, expert opinions, and real-world examples to help you decide if cheat meals are helpful or harmful. A cheat meal is a planned break from a strict diet where you allow yourself to eat something typically considered off-limits. It could be pizza, burgers, ice cream, or any high-calorie comfort food. Cheat meals are different from cheat days, which involve indulging for an entire day rather than just one meal. The idea is to enjoy your favorite foods occasionally without derailing long-term goals. Restrictive diets can be mentally taxing. Cheat meals can offer a psychological break, making dieting more sustainable. Expert opinion. According to registered dietitian Carrie Glassman, allowing yourself a cheat meal can help you stay on track by giving you something to look forward to. Scientific evidence. A study published in Appetite in 2017 found that individuals who planned indulgent meals as part of their diet were more successful in maintaining weight loss than those who followed a rigid, continuous restriction. Verdict: strategically planned cheat meals may prevent burnout and emotional eating, improving long-term adherence. One popular belief is that cheat meals can boost metabolism by temporarily increasing calorie intake and leptin levels, the hormone responsible for regulating hunger and energy. Scientific evidence. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2000 showed that short-term overfeeding can increase leptin levels and energy expenditure, but only temporarily. However, the increase in metabolism is not enough to significantly impact fat loss. Verdict: cheat meals might create a temporary metabolic boost, but it's usually modest and short-lived. One cheat meal won't make you gain fat overnight. However, frequent or uncontrolled cheat meals can easily lead to overeating and surplus calories. Scientific fact: 1 pound of fat equals about 3,500 calories. To gain that much, you'd have to consume in excess of that amount without burning it off. Verdict: a single cheat meal won't sabotage your weight loss, but consistency is key. Cheat meals can influence hormone levels involved in hunger and satiety, such as leptin and ghrelin. Scientific evidence. A study in obesity from 2011 showed that strategic refeeding or temporary calorie increase can improve leptin sensitivity, making the body more efficient in regulating hunger. Verdict: occasional cheat meals may help regulate hunger hormones and reduce feelings of deprivation. Deprivation can lead to intense cravings and even binge eating. Scheduled cheat meals may help reduce the likelihood of unplanned binges. Expert insight. Dr. Susan Albers, a psychologist at the Cleveland Clinic, notes, planned indulgence is better than spontaneous binging. Scientific research studies in Appetite from 2013 show that diet satisfaction is a predictor of long-term success, and planned flexibility helps reduce binge-eating tendencies. Allowing occasional indulgences may actually prevent larger lapses in diet control. The effectiveness of cheat meals largely depends on planning. An impulsive binge is very different from a well-planned cheat meal. Practical tip: plan your cheat meals around special occasions or weekends. Choose a portion size and enjoy the meal without guilt. Strategic planning can make cheat meals a tool for sustainability rather than sabotage. There is no one-size-fits-all rule, but moderation is crucial. Some people thrive on one cheat meal per week, while others do better with occasional treats. Dietitian Abby Langer says, if you're constantly looking forward to your cheat meal, your diet may be too restrictive. Verdict: frequency should depend on personal goals, lifestyle, and overall dietary habits. Cheat meals should not become emotional crutches or reasons to punish yourself later. They should be enjoyed mindfully. A study in eating behaviors from 2015 emphasized that developing a healthy relationship with food is more effective for weight maintenance than strict rules. Verdict: enjoy your cheat meals without guilt and avoid associating food with shame. Not everyone benefits from cheat meals. For individuals with a history of disordered eating, cheat meals can lead to guilt, shame, or relapse. Nutritionist Christina LaRue explains, if cheat meals cause anxiety or compulsive behavior, it may be better to avoid labeling food as good or bad. Verdict: know yourself. If cheat meals harm your mindset or behavior, consider more flexible, balanced eating without labels. Cheat meals can be both good and bad. It all depends on how you use them. When planned strategically, they can provide psychological relief, boost adherence, and even help with hormone regulation. However, if misused, they can lead to overeating, guilt, and setbacks. The key is balance. Listen to your body, understand your triggers, and don't let one indulgence derail your long-term goals. Have you tried cheat meals in your weight loss journey? How did they affect you, mentally and physically? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this content valuable, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned for more science-backed weight loss tips and strategies. And don't forget to share this video with someone who might be struggling with guilt over enjoying their favorite foods.